Good afternoon. Today is Friday, December 15, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sware 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 15, 2023, Friday. Here are the SL Sware 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Friday, December 15, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for December 15, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.